Assalamu alaikum. Dear learners, how are you? Because of Corona, though no regular class, no regular school, so I am going to take an online class. Are you ready for the class? Welcome my online class. At first, I like to introduce me. This is Jahangir Alam, senior teacher, Mazira Model High School, Shahjahanpur, Bogura. I am going to take a class from English for today, class 8. Dear learners, look at the pictures below. Again, what do you see in the picture? This is Gambhira. Again, what do you see in the picture? This is Palagan. What do you see in the picture? This is Bhavaiya. Again, what do you see in the picture? Hasol Razar song. Another, this is Polli Giti. So, we see different kinds of song here. Dear learners, let's enjoy a video.
अरे डाइने चल बाउकुमटा बातास जेमन घुड़िया घुड़िया मोहरे ओरे ओई मोहतन मोर गाड़ीर चाका पन्थे घोरे रे ओ की गाड़ी आलमुई चलुं राजो पन्थे बाउकुमटा बातास जेमन घुड़िया घुड़िया मोहरे ओरे ओई मोतन मोर गाड़ीर चाका पन्थे घोरे रे ओ की गाड़ी आलमुई चलुं राजो पन्थे
What have you observed in the video? A folk song. Have you enjoyed it? I also enjoyed it. Okay. So our today's lesson is our folk song, Unit 1, Lesson 1. Learning outcomes. After we have studied this lesson, we will be able to infer meaning from the context, read and understand text through silent reading, write answer to questions, and write a paragraph. Let us introduce with some keywords. What do you see in the picture? Folk, meaning traditional, conventional, common, informal. Folk song is a tradition of Bangladesh. Another, what do you see in the picture? This is musical. What is meaning musical? Okay, melody, harmonious, tuneful, music related. Music become interesting with musical instrument. Again, what do you see in the picture? This is a instrument. What is meaning instrument? Apparatus, devices, music related element. This is a sentence. It is an art to play with musical instrument? Was the musical instrument, and answer the following question. At first, Dotara. Do you want to see Dotara? Okay, let's see. It is Dotara. Sharinda. Okay. Guitar. Again, bamboo flute. It is very common to us. Again, drum. We use it in our school. Tabla. Again, piano. Okay. Ektara. Harmonium. And violin. Okay, we saw different kinds of instrument. Let's answer the following question. Number 1, can you sing a song? Your answer may be yes or no. Number 2, can you play any of these musical instrument? Number 3, do you know anybody who can play any of these instrument? Tell me what you know about her or him. Okay. Write this question in our khata and try to answer it. Wait. Let us introduce with some folk singers. Do you know him? Everybody knows him. He is Lalon Shah. Thank you. Again, do you know him? He is Hasan Raja. Again, do you know him? Shah Abdul Karim. Again, he is Abbas Uddin. Again, he is Abdul Alim. He was very popular folk singer. Again, she is Farida Parveen. Again, he is Akas Dewan. Again, okay, Abdul Quddus. She is Sufia Kangalini. Again, he is Fakir Alamgir. Again, Kiran Chandra Rai. Everybody knows him. He is Mamtaz Begum. He is Ayub Bachchu. Very sad. He was died. Again, Dilruba Khan. We saw different kinds of folk singer. This is a picture of Gambhira. This is a picture of folk song. Again, Folk songs are sung in the traditional style. পল্লীগীতি, ভাটিয়ালি, ভাওয়াইয়া, জারি, সারি, গাম্ভীরা, লালন গীতি, পালা গান, হাসল রাজা song. We have a rich history and collection of folk song in Bangladesh. Of them, পল্লীগীতি, ভাটিয়ালি, ভাওয়াইয়া, জারি, সারি, গাম্ভীরা, লালন গীতি, পালা গান, and songs of Hasan Raja are very popular. What is this? This is Ektara. What is this? This is Dotara. Everybody know it? It is bamboo flute. This is tabla. This is harmonium. Again, this is violin. And it is drum. The traditional musical instruments are usually played with this song. Okay. Let's enjoy another video.
এত ভালোবাসলাম তারি, এত ভালোবাসলাম তারি, মন পাইলাম না তার রে। আর আমি ভালোবাসবো তারে, হাসান বন্ধু রে। আর আমি ভালোবাসবো তারে, এত ভালোবাসলাম তারে, অতি ভালোবাসলাম।
Okay. Do you enjoy it? I also like to hear folk song. Let's read the text. Folk songs are sung in traditional style of a community or country. Here, the traditional style includes the theme, words and tune of the songs that have excited for a long time among the common people. We have a rich history and collection of folk songs in Bangladesh. Of them, পল্লীগীতি, ভাটিয়ালি, ভাওয়াইয়া, জারি, সারি, গাম্ভীরা, লালন গীতি, পালা গান and song of Hasan Raja are very popular. The traditional musical instruments are usually played with this song. Okay. Let's write answer the following question. Question 1. Who usually likes our folk song? Number 2. Can you name some well-known folk singers? Number 3. Do you like folk song? If you do, who is your favorite folk singer? Which song or song do you like most? Write answer in your khata. Okay, we see the answer. Number A. The people of rural areas like folk song. Number B. The name of folk some famous folk singers are Lalon, Hasan Raza, Ramesh Shil, Abbas Uddin, Bijoy Sarkar, Kiran Chandra Roy, Farida Parveen, Quddus Boyati, Abdul Alim, Krishna Koli, Rinu, and so on. Okay. C. Yes, I like folk song. My favorite folk singer is Farida Parveen. And you have different folk singer. And I like all the Lalon song sung by her. Evaluation. First question. Gambhira is a kind of band song. Try again. It is not correct. Religious song. Try again. It is not correct. Pop song. Try again. It is not correct. Folk song is correct answer. Number 2. Lalon Giti is very popular in India. Try again. Pakistan. Try again. Bangladesh. Lalon Giti is very popular in Bangladesh. 3. Who is a folk singer? Munir Khan. Try again. Khalid Hassan. Try again. Farida Parveen and Asif. Farida Parveen is a folk singer. Okay, thank you. Homework. Write a paragraph about folk song of Bangladesh. Dear learner, thank you very much. So, stay at home and be safe.